Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain on how the forms section within an opportunity works in KEBS. The forms section can be seen within the details view of any opportunity within the opportunities application. By default, there are 4 forms that are present. The user can configure and attach various forms by using the Add Form button. The steps for configuration will be covered in a future video. The user can fill the approval bid form and update the same and trigger it for approval by clicking on here. Filling all the mandatory details about the opportunities and the analysis of the opportunity. Once all the details are filled, the user can submit it and the workflow trigger will be displayed in the landing page. The user can trigger approval workflow by clicking on the Trigger Approval button. Once the approver completes the approval, the bid will be submitted and reflected. Similarly, the user can fill the external feedback form, the win-loss form, and also the internal feedback form and submit the same within the opportunity. That is how opportunity forms work within this application. Thank you for watching.